Have you been feeling lost lately? Like everything around you is moving so fast, but you feel stuck. In this moment, nothing else matters. These minutes are just for you to breathe, to reset, to reconnect with yourself. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let it go. It's okay to not have all the answers right now. It's okay to not be okay. Your mind is tired, not broken. Your heart is heavy, not hopeless. Let's release the weight. Inhale, calm. Exhale, tension. Picture yourself walking through a quiet path. Every step you take releases stress. Leaves rustle. The sky softens. You are here. You are safe. You are enough. Think of one thing that made you smile once. A memory, a person, a place. Let that warmth fill your chest. Now bring your hand to your heart. Feel that beat. That's life. That's resilience. You've survived every hard moment so far. You're doing better than you think. You are not alone. Someone out there is thinking of you right now. Even if you can't feel it, love surrounds you. The world is still beautiful, and so are you. Let this silence be your anchor. This peace, your reminder, you are enough. You are healing, and you are loved. When you're ready, open your eyes and carry this calm with you wherever you go.